Today see about the what are the business news. The India factors output rise to 5.2 percentage in the January 2023, surpassing estimated. India's industries product index IPP jumping to 5.2 percentage in January 2023, better than the steel's expectations. The factors output made a significant rise from 4.3 percentage print out the previous month, as per the Ministers of Statistics and Program Implementation. In January 2023, the quick estimate of IAP with based 2021 to 22, 2011-12 stood at 146.5. Will they include industries of IAP such as the meaning manufacturing and electronic sectors? January 2023 should at 135.9, 144.3 and 186 respectively. As the trade economic, the largest is IAP higher than market forecasting of 5%. Further, the ministry data showed it is include stand at 1.496 for primary goods, 0.53 from capital goods, 1.536 for intermediate goods at and 171.7 for interfactions, infrastructure, consideration goods, contract goods in January 2023. Also included for the consumer durations and consumer non-durable stand at 109.6 and 164.0 respectively in January 23. On the month base, electricity and manufacturing output lift the overall IAP in January 2023. Main growth or minimum growth should at 8.8 percentage, variation 9.8 percentage in December 2022. Will the manufacturing output should at 3.7 percentage, variation 2.6 and electricity growth come in at 12.7 percentage, variation 10.4 percentage. The minister said also the quick establishment of IAP for January 2023, the incidents for December 2022 have undergone the first variations, and those for October 2022 have been completely the Will's response rate of 19% and 95% and 95% respectively. The IIT data from will be result on the April 12th day.